Today we're going to go over how to create a user for your community website. You must either be the website administrator or a user with elevated privileges to do this activity. If you fall under one of these two categories, let us continue. The first thing you'll have to do is you'll have to navigate to your community website. You will then need to go to the Welcome drop-down menu and select Login. From here, you're going to enter the username that you have been provided, along with the password to log into your community website. For this example, we're going to use admin and click Login. Once the internal homepage loads, you'll go to the Welcome drop-down menu and select Membership. Once this page loads, you're going to go to the sub-tab of Pending Member Access. You'll notice there are several names listed as pending. You will choose the individual that you want to get out of pending and put into the approved status. For this example, we're going to use Frankenberry. To do this, all you need to do is you need to click on the process link on the same line as the user you want to approve. You'll notice that a brand new window has popped up. Since this is a new user and it's not linked to any other account, what we're going to do is we're going to navigate to the bottom and click Not Found, Create New Record. If this user is a relative, you'll do something else and we'll go over that shortly. But for now, click on Not Found, Create New Record. You'll now notice that you are on an Edit Member page. What you'll need to do is make sure that the email address is correct so that this user can receive emails for the website. You'll then go to the Personal Web Info tab. Now you are presented with two different options on how to create a user for this resident. One option is to create the user manually, which we'll go over later. The other one is to send a create account invite email, which will send an email to the email address provided in main information, and then the user will be given steps on how to create the username and password by themselves. So for this one, we're going to click on Send Create Account Invite Email. And you'll notice that there is notification that a registration email has been sent to the email address of this member. And click Close Window. Then click the Close button. Now let's add a resident to an already existing user profile. For this example, we're going to use Booberry. We're once again going to click on the Process button. And you will notice that immediately in the search results, there's Frankenberry. We're going to click on the checkbox. And once that checkbox is highlighted, we are then going to go down to the Add as a Related Record to Barry, Franken. And now this user has been added to that record. Now let's go over how to create a user manually. You will then go to the Personal Web Info button, and this time we're going to create user account. You'll notice a brand new page is opened up. You'll be given the ability to name the user. For this one, we're going to put 123 serial. Never use the email address. And then enter a password. And click on Create User. You have now created the user for Booberry. Click on Return. You have now learned how to create a user for your community website, as well as how to add a related user to an existing user profile.